All right. Hello, people. Another beautiful day. Yeah. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good or excellent. What? What's up, Steam Deck fans? Steam Deck tribe, nation, universe, world, legion. What's good? Mob, what's that? And squad, what's up? Nerds, geeks, and freaks, and you investigators. Oh, I got a video done on a Horizon Forbidden West, so yeah. But now I'm gonna get into the news. I was sitting there looking all over the place, trying to find news. Yeah. Anyway, what I got for you? Let's see here. What do we got for you, Steam Deck fans? Oh, okay. So first things first. Let's see. I think was it Firefox? Firefox has a new update. Oh yeah. Firefox has a new update. See if I can find it here. Let's see. Firefox. Oh, here we go. Firefox 124. Oh yeah. It says Firefox 24 is out with Windows, jump list, improved curate browsing, and PDF and more. Oh yeah. Firefox has an update. Ubuntu 24.4 comes out next month. But there's this article here that got some wallpapers. I'm gonna leave the link. I give you like some different wallpapers of Ubuntu. So you could use them for your desktop, TV. If you got your TV connected to your desktop, stuff like that. Yeah. All right. Now, let's see what we got. Okay, see here. NVIDIA 55067 fixes up VKD 3D Proton, Wayland, and more. NVIDIA today released a fresh, stable bug fix driver with version 550.67 now available for Linux. So here's all the changes you'll find. It says fix a bug that could cause the GPU driver to hang when running VKD3D games such as F121. Fix a bug that caused EG export DMABU DMA buff image query Mesa to return invalid DRM formats for the image that uses sRGB colors. Fix a bug that caused WGPU application to hang on Wayland. Fix a bug cause flip event timeout message to be printed to the system log when the system is suspended without using user bin NVIDIA sleep when NVIDIA DRM is loaded with the FB dev equal 1 kernel module parameter. Update NVIDIA settings control panels to ensure that the entire display configuration panel can be used when the layout window is shown. Update NVIDIA setting control panel to allow primary display to be set on any GPU in a multi-GPU system. Fix XD error when playing Alan Wake 2 with ray tracing enabled. It said, did this update solve an issue you were having? Or are you waiting on NVIDIA to fix something else? All right. What else we got? I got you guys covered, man. Anyway, let's see. What's this? Core control adds AMD RX 7000 series fan curve control. Intel GPU temperature sensors. Says here, core control is useful application giving you a full graphical user interface for adjusting your CPU and GPU profile on Linux, and the latest release has expanded the hardware features supported. Then it says you can have it activate certain profile when launching specific application games or have things be more manual with you adjusting fan curves and performance profile and more. And then it says here, new features in the version 1.4.0 implement a resizable graph and sensor region. Both regions are configurable by dragging their split handles, and size persist between sessions. CPU usage sessions, Intel temperature sensors for Coral amp driver. Botan 3 compilation support. Botan 2 is still supported. Botan 3 takes precedence over Botan 2, which both versions are installed in the system. Manual profile activation at application startup using the command line argument. Automatic curve fan control for AMD RX 7000 series. CPU energy performance preference control. This feature is only available for hardware with active growing support and can access by setting CPU frequency scaling governor to power saved in the Swedish translation. All right. Now, what else we got? See here, read-only memory. Read-only memory, ROM. This can't be a game. It can't be. No way. Read-only memory, Diver release on May 16th. Says read-only memory Neurodiver, the sequel to the 2064 read-only memory, finally has a release date. You'll be able to get your hands on it on May 16th. More about it. Take the role of an ES-88, a young expert employed by Minerva, a powerful organization specializing in information science, neurology, extrasensory phenomena. She has been tasked with tracking down Golden Butterfly, a mysterious psychic entity. Okay, all right. This game has a sequel to 2064 read-only memory, a mystery in memory, anime-inspired pixel art, a cast to remember, and retro synth music. All right, read-only memory, May 16th. All right, now what else we got? Since we're here, let's see. Oh, Chai Kai 4 deck. Yeah, that always gets updated. See, Chai Kai 4 deck, PlayStation to Steam Deck streaming app version 1.6.4 adds a few useful options. Let's see here. Chai Kai 4 deck recently put up another small update to add in a couple of new options that sounds quite useful for those of you streaming a PlayStation to your Steam Deck. Here's what's new in version 1.6.4. It says add create Steam shortcut option for Linux and Macs. Allow setting console pins to console settings. Add Windows type options in settings, full screen, stretch, zoom. Fix issue causing an extra blank IP manual console added when registering non-manual console. Add options to adjust when Wi-Fi connection symbol appears based on percent of drop packed in 200 milliseconds intervals. There's an easy to use app image download available on release notes on GitHub. Okay, all right. Now, what else we got? Got to keep you guys. Got to keep pushing. Let's see here. What's this? Okay, GOG team up with Amazon Lunar for cloud gaming. I saw this yesterday too when I was trying to get to it. Yeah, matter of fact, the article is on says here GOG team up with Amazon Luna for cloud gaming. GOG have announced that they're teaming up with Amazon Luna to bring your existing GOG games over to your cloud gaming service. Amazon Luna is currently available across the USA, Canada, UK, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. It runs on Linux too, although it will likely give you a browser warning. It will still let you actually play games on Luna if you're using a Chrome-based browser. All you need is to own your games on GOG, and that Amazon have on Luna will be yours to play in the cloud too on any compatible device. Seems like a great deal, really. GOG also said you will be able to buy games on Luna through GOG too, and they will stick in your GOG library. So really, this is the best of both worlds. They haven't given a public date yet exactly when it will be live. Only thing, they will share more updates about the collaboration in the future. And be sure that whether you enjoy timeless classics or modern hits, you'll find such GOG titles on Luna. All right, Amazon stepping their game up. All right, what else we got? Let's see here. What's this one? Okay. Whoops. Superhero XCOM-like capes release in May. New gameplay trailer is up. Say Cape is shaping up to be quite an interesting strategy game where it blends XCOM style with superheroes, and now they have release window. In the new trailer, they're still not giving an exact date, but at least we know it will be sometime in May. And then it says here, Cape is a highly anticipated turn-based superhero strategy game where XCOM fans will feel right at home. Level up your heroes and combine their powers to access devastating team-up attacks and strategical challenging missions. Master compelling tactics gameplay while uncovering the cinematic story. 20 years ago, the supervillains won. Since then, they've caused a dystopian city where developing superpowers is a crime and no one has dared to oppose them until now. Assemble a ragtag team of young heroes and hone their skills and take back the city. Play across the dark and gritty campaign to reveal the truth behind a horrific enhancement program of supervillain operators. Alpha, a complete optional side mission to level up your heroes and learn more about their past. All right. And this game is coming out in May, so another game to add to the list. It says, be mighty, assemble your team, level up, defeat evil. Anyway, all right, what else we got for you Steam Deck fans? Okay, let's see here. What's this? Snapcraft. Knock knock, who's there? More scam app on Conical Snap Store. Said, no, this isn't a joke. Really, Conical once again have an issue with scam app appearing on Snap Store, which is becoming a repeating problem. I wrote about this before in February and again previously in October, and here we go again. After the last issue, Conical seems to be slowly moving on the subject, with discussing being open on their discourse forum to chat about implementing more checks, so they might want to speed up actual checking on app publishers. Agent Pope has a great blog post about the issue, talking about how another 10 scam crypto wallet apps appears from DigiSafe 00. They were all moved, but guess what? They're back again under a different publisher name. This time it's Code Shield 0x0000. Anyway, it says here a weirdly named publisher putting up 10 crypto wallets. You know, if there was a proper human review here, someone might have actually thought this, like, hey, this is a bit odd. Maybe I should do a little digging first. Since they are on Snap Store, they will also show up in Ubuntu software app, which is quite a problem. Pope dives into one of the apps in a blog post, noting the create an account function obviously doesn't work, since they just want you to log in with your current wallet details so they can poach on it. As Pope says, it's trivially easy to publish scammy application like this in the Conical Snap Store, and for them to go unnoticed, and it seems it's really is so right. Now if you want to scam users on Ubuntu, just publish a snap of something. Really not a good look for Conical and Ubuntu. They need to get moving on repeating problems. Yeah, security is a big problem, you know. Anyway, all right, what else we got on the Steam Deck front? Oh, yeah, I got you guys covered. Let's see. Anything else? Last but not least. Okay. Valve tweaks WWE 2K24 for AMD GPUs like Steam Deck. Looking into red alert issues. All right. Says here WWE 2K24 released recently, and at least for those with an AMD GPU like the Steam Deck, there were various graphical issues, but it should now work better. Plus, they are looking into issue with Red Alert 2 in Proton. For WWE 2K24, Valve developer Pierre-Luc Griffius posted on X, and he says a mitigation fix has just been deployed for graphics corruption issue in WWE 2K24 and will automatically deploy. Says I had to do a little search around to figure out what was actually done. As it turns out, they've set the RADV debug NODCC Mesa environment a variable by default, which disables delta colors compression DCC on image. So hopefully that game should play better now. And it says recently the Command & Conquer Ultimate Collection also released on Steam, but multiple titles in it have problems running on Linux with Proton. For Red Alert 2 issues in Proton, in reply to a user on X, Griffius mentioned that the blank screen for main menu is currently being investigated. That means they're updating it. All right. Anything else? And that is that. So I got you guys up to date. News, deals, games, and update. But I'll continue searching and see what I can find on the Steam Deck front. And of course, I mean, updates are always coming in. Updates are being made. Updates are coming in. Yeah. So keep you posted. Still spring sale is still around. So be a couple more days before it's over. So get some games while you can before the spring sale is over, and keep gaming. Improve your storage on your Steam Decks. Yeah. Internally and externally, and because updates are like this coming in. Steam Deck is out here, and updates are like this. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, updates are non-stop when it comes to the Steam Deck. So I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on, but that's all the news I got to report. Yeah, on the Steam Deck. Yeah, and you Chai 4 deck lovers, yeah, with your Steam Deck and your PlayStation 4 or PS5. Oh yeah, you can stream. It improves your streaming. So yeah, and NVIDIA is always improving things on this on Linux. So yeah, that should help you guys out a lot. And oh yeah, so anything I find, I'll let you know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still a Star Wars and Star Trek thing. Dark side. Go. Base.